What a joyful news, Miss Matty. I feel like my heart going burst. Guess what happened? Today, a International Mother Language Day. And guess what turn up from Amazon? Ay, 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 by Miss Tanya Lou. Yes, Baba. Miss Tanya Lou over Toronto write one book. She all win award for the book. So me had to buy it because it's about my favorite icon, Miss Lou. So, all of the Lou family them, I have to try collect something for them. So me have Miss Lou, the original, and now me have Miss Tanya Lou talking about the original Miss Lou. We full up of the Lou. That matter of fact, I go join the Lou family. I should have just start calling myself Shernette Lou now, not true? Lord have mercy. Anyway, I am so pleased to get my ay. I'm gonna be reading this as the days go by, but it really couldn't have come at a better time. International Mother Language Day. And even now, it's really amazing because, say, I'll Google Translate pick up Jamaican patois now. Yes, if you put in the Jamaican patois, it translates it to English. And if you put English and you search Jamaican patois, it translates it for you. That is how Miss Lou work powerful. I mean, no say you still have people like Miss Tanya Lou, and even me too. I carry the legacy because we have to go and chatty patois. You don't know already, right? Yes, Baba. I know just Google Translate neither, you know. You want to hear Alexa today when me ask her, what come here to me in a package? Hear that one, you know? Alexa, what was in my package that arrived today?
Your package contained I.
So, Alexa, I have to go get a Jamaican dialect accent because I want to know where. But anyway, I didn't know what she attack. So, this is it. Ay. I will tell you, people, go and buy a copy of this book. Because you see me have this, nobody try borrow it. I'm not going to lend you. A lot of you people like to borrow a book and don't carry them back. I'm not lending it out. So, I don't talk. Go buy your own a copy. Yes, you will find it on Amazon. Ay by Miss Tanya Hernandez, aka Miss Tanya Lou. Yeah, I just like this book. Isn't it nice, guys? Now that me done share about me ay and International Mother Language Day, the next most important thing is I just got to 2,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So I just wanted to say thank you. Thanks to every one of my subscribers. Some of you have been here from day one and some joined along the way, but I appreciate every one of you from my heart. Me love you to me heart. Yes. So, if you don't like the video, go down underneath it and write something in the Jamaican mother language, Jamaican patois. If you don't know patois, go ask Google Translate. It will help you. All right? Just leave me a comment in the patois what you think about the video. Yeah? All right? Big up on yourself, work good, and one love.